All right. I hope my audio is all right. And I was trying to, start this from like a while, but for some reason my camera was glitching in OBS, and yeah, I restarted, and then hopefully it is working fine. And once again, it's kind of late, so I will try my best to do whatever problems I can, but let's just start with one. Okay, one of the most popular places to eat in Harvard Square is Philippe's Taqueria, which offers a menu of entries per the dictionary below, wherein the value of each key is a price in dollars. Baja taco, burrito, bowl, okay, nachos, quesadilla, super burrito, super quesadilla, taco, tortilla, salad. Okay, I hope I said them correctly, but yeah. And a file called Takira. Okay, I don't know why am I saying it like that. I'm not even sure how it is pronounced, but let's search actually. That was it, right? Taqueria. Okay, taqueria. Taqueria. Cool. So in a file called taqueria.py, it's kind of funny, but anyways, let's not go there. Oh damn, it started rather quickly. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah. Implement a program that enables user to place an order, prompting them for items one per line until the user inputs Control D, which is a common way of ending one's input to a program. After each inputted item, display the total cost of all items inputted thus far, prefixed with a dollar sign and formatted to two decimal points. Treat the user's input case insensitively. Ignore any output that isn't an item. Assume that every item on the menu will be title cased. So let me just not butcher the spelling. And first of all, let me cd week 3 and Taqueria, cd Taqueria, and Koji Chaka. Sorry, Ria. Oh, sorry. .py. Yeah. Okay, so basically, if I press enter, okay, wait. What the hell? Ah, okay, okay, okay. Large is not there, so that's why it re-prompted. My bad, my bad. I was like, why is it giving total on pressing enter once and then not giving here? Anyways, let me look at the hint first. Okay, so we can catch this by this error. Okay, so this one actually looks like uh, it's gonna take some time. So that is our dictionary, and let me copy paste this. Inputting control D does not require inputting enter as well, so the user's cursor and subsequent prompt might thus remain on the same line as your program's own prompt. You can move the user's cursor to a new line by. Okay, I'm kinda lost there, to be honest. God damn, I'm sleepy, bro. Ah. So let me just turn it all to lower. Or maybe title. And for. What was it? For key in dictionary. If item is equal to dictionary key, then what are we displaying? Total. Print total uh, and print how were we if fruit in fruits dot keys. Okay, yeah, we can do it like that. Let me just copy that only. If item in dict, let me just call it menu for better readability. Menu dot keys. Then price is equal to menu dot item print total price. But The catch here is that until the program does not converge, we have to keep adding. So, oh, my bad. Also, I guess I also removed the input. Yeah, my bad. Okay. Let me also make this. We had to print dollar, right? I forgot about this. Okay, we just no. If we are pressing Control D, then we should exit. Can we do sys? Let me try. Import sys dot exit. Okay. Python Chakarria dot py. Uh, item we had to say. Oh shit. Doesn't title make it okay? Okay, my bad. Now it should work. But we have not exit. So I think we'll have to take help of while loop again. Mm, okay. Mm, wait. Wait a damn minute. We have to initialize this outside, otherwise it's going to initialize it to 0 all the time. Yeah. No, what the fuck? So it added taco and nachos, but it didn't add bowl. It just printed bowl. Why? The hell? Okay, nachos. Maybe this is what they were talking about. Nah, that doesn't do anything. Maybe added before. Okay, let's check. My voice is, yeah, it is coming. It's because I changed, like I tried deleting the entire, the screen that I used to record with, and then yeah, then still it was not fixed. Okay. We just have to total uh how will I add the dollar there? Okay, let me just use that f string. Also, I think I can remove this because print slash quote unquote nothing. Okay, how can I maybe this. Also, let me remove this. What's up with Discord? Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's not doing that. How to? I know it was 0.2f, but like I've forgotten kind of. Maybe no, I don't think so. Okay, colon and then dot 2f. Okay. Yay, let's go. How much time did we take? 20 minutes. Okay, okay. Okay. Meanwhile, let me. Yep. So I just had to add the print there. Cool. And let us move on to the next one. Let's see if we can do it rather quickly as well. Grocery, first of all. mkdir grocery cd grocery code grocery.py. Cool. So in a file called implement a program that prompts the user for items, one per line until the user inputs control D. Again, output the user's grocery list all in all uppercase, sorted alphabetically by item, prefixing each line with the number of items the user inputted in that item. Okay, no need to pluralize the items. Treat the user's input case insensitively. Apple, banana, banana, ice cream. Okay. Cool. So where do we start? First of all, we are having to take inputs one after the other. So it would be the same thing. first list. Okay, wait. Okay, so basically we have to in the accept we have to implement that outputting thing. Okay, so we are appending, and yeah, that's all we have to do, right? And now here item and list. uh, First of all we have to sort the list also. Okay, let me remove this, and let me just print this so that I know that at least those things are working. All right, cool. Python. Okay, and let me also okay. Okay, so first I was thinking I'll print the indexes, and besides them I'll print the actual item names. But first of all, let's check how to sort. Yeah, I knew it. Let me try that first. Okay. I was using sword, but I don't know. God damn. The hell? I am catching the EF error, right? And what is the issue here? Okay. I guess I'll have to do something like. Okay. So for item and list, we have to do list dot count of that item. If count is greater than 1, yeah, there is the issue. If it is greater than 1, what do we do? Where do we add that? Like, first I was thinking I'll just, you know, print the indexes, but I don't think we can do index uh, because yeah, okay, that is kind of. Like it sorted the list also. It printed one for carrot, one for lettuce because there were only one entries. Okay, list dot count. Okay, maybe I can just store that, right? And we can print. Yay, let's fucking go. I'm saying it like it's done or something, but yeah, let's see. Okay. No shit. Okay, so I guess it is working fine in that way, but doing that, we have introduced another error. Hmm. How do we remove that? So we have to basically say that print everything only once. So it should be something like unique. How to print only the unique strings from a list in Python. Not only the strings, bro. Okay, okay, my bad. How to print only unique strings. Oh, so after counting, what we can do is, but will it have scope outside? I don't think it's going to work, but okay, let's see. Okay. The hell? Yeah, set method is uh, okay. Let's just use this. So we can just copy this. Okay, so we are creating the counter for our list. Shit. My bad if you heard a weird noise. Okay. What the hell? What the hell is wrong here? Okay. Okay. I think it was the name issue. Let me check now directly. Yay, good job. I mean, there was no other way, right? Because I don't think how would have printed the counts with, having all the variables and stuff like that without just creating new variables and stuff like that. Oh, but I wanted to do this. I wanted to submit, bruh. Okay, I think it's done. Let me quickly look at the last one and see if. First of all, let me see. Okay, there are so many in week 4. Shit, okay. Let me tell this guy yes. I think I'll be stopping here now. I don't think I have bandwidth to do another one. Let's just check this one. Okay. Grocery. Uh, cool. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, I don't really feel like doing it right now. My head is spinning and I've been sleeping late uh, than I should. So I'll just be going to sleep and I'll get back to this one tomorrow. I'll just do this in the morning and maybe some other ones as well because libraries I've already studied and so I can just go ahead and start doing its question as well. By the way, I've also started with my JavaScript and stuff again, so it's kind of hard keeping up with the Python syntax. But yeah, I'll be trying my best to finish this and we did 2 today. I think it was pretty good. How much? Okay, 50 minutes, 2 questions. I think that's good. That's totally good. Uh, Considering I think it was almost same time tomorrow, yesterday for one question. So yeah, that is it for our grocery and our Takeria problem. I'll see you tomorrow with the outdated problem. No pun intended. Intended. But yeah, anyways. Have a good day or night if you are watching till now. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.